Okay, I'm gonna make this quick video just because we are having a lot of questions about how to get the free carbon fiber or aluminum light bar. Unfortunately, at the moment the aluminum is out of stock, so we only have carbon fiber and we have in all sizes. Okay, let me just turn this on so you can see how bright the lights are. Super bright. Okay, I'm gonna show you this in my phone. You can actually do the same in your computer or tablet. Okay, first you have to be logged in. Just if you don't have an account, you can make it for free. Then you just scroll down to the light bar. As I mentioned before, the aluminum is not in stock anymore. Just select the material, carbon fiber, select how long do you want it to be, 5.3 inches, this one, add to cart. Now if you go to the cart, that's what a lot of people are asking. It says $14.99. They're trying to charge you for this. That's because you are not buying the minimum of $20. So in that case, let's go ahead and purchase something. Let's say this, that it's $24.99. We add this to the cart. Add to the cart. Let's go to the cart, and then you can see that the discount is automatically applied. Free carbon light, you have it there. That's free, 0, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Then you can just check out.